So today we'll be making the light sensor circuit and application of LDR. So the materials we need is first the Arduino Uno R3, where we will be uploading our program. Next, we need the USB cable to connect the Arduino to the computer. Breadboard to use for creating the circuit. LED for our light source, and resistors, 10k ohms resistor, 330 ohms resistor. Connecting wires to connect our components in the breadboard and the Arduino. So here we have the photocell light dependent resistor. So this is the process of assembling or building the circuit. Then after building the circuit, we need to connect the Arduino to the PC and upload the program written for the project. So here we can see that the LED will light up when the photocell will not detect any light. And when light is detected, it will turn off. So here we'll be trying to change the analog pin from 0 to 3. We need to change these parts to configure it to analog pin 3. Then after changing, we need to upload it to the Arduino. So still the same result. When light is detected by the LDR, the LED will be turned off, and if it is dark, the LED will light. Here we are adding green and yellow LED to the circuit. So after configuring the circuit, we need to modify the code. So we set the code for a specific range for different LED lights. After configuring the code, we need to upload it to the Arduino. So here it can be seen in the serial monitor that the value changes. So if you observe closely, the values in the serial monitor will change when light is shown or when the LDR is covered.